How much should you actually spend on a digital tape measure? People often buy cheap ones, but then return the expensive ones, leaving them confused. It's a bit interesting, but today, we're uncovering the real value behind some of the best options out there. Product number 1, LEXIVION 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. First up is the LEXIVION 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure, priced at $76.06. What caught my attention is its unique combination of a 130 FT laser distance meter and a 16 FT autolock tape measure. If you want accuracy and versatility, this is worth a serious look. The large LCD screen displays measurements in feet, inches, and fractions, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, which is crucial for precision work. Plus, it features an anti-skid rubberized case, ensuring you have a good grip even in tough conditions. With over 600 units sold just this month, it's clearly a popular choice among users. Now, some people have mentioned that the laser measurement can be a bit tricky in bright sunlight. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker if you're using it primarily indoors or during cloudy days. So if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable tool, this one's definitely for you. This is perfect for you if you need both long-range and detailed measurements. Skip this one if you're only looking for a basic tape measure. For its range and features, it's a solid value. Now, if the higher price of the LEXIVION caught your attention, the next one on the list offers some great budget-friendly features while still packing a punch. Product number 2, ALOIMAN 2-in-1 Digital Tape Measure. Next, we have the ALOIMAN 2-in-1 Digital Tape Measure, priced at only $31.70. This caught my eye because it's designed to be both user-friendly and durable. If you're looking for a great gift or a solid tool for DIY projects, this is worth a serious look. The ALOIMAN features 6 different unit options and 4 measuring modes, allowing you to toggle between lengths, areas, and volumes with ease. It can store up to 50 measurements, making it super handy for tracking multiple projects. The accuracy of plus or minus 1 mm means you can trust it to give you reliable results every time. Plus, it's waterproof and drop-resistant, perfect for those accidental drops on the job site. However, some users mentioned it doesn't have a laser function, which might be a deal-breaker if you're used to laser measuring tools. But if you're primarily measuring smaller spaces or doing basic projects, this might not matter at all. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, reliable tape measure for home improvement projects. Skip this one if you absolutely need laser functionality. For its price and features, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but if you want something with smart connectivity, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 3, MELESCEY DT20 Laser Tape Measure. Coming in at $81.16, the MELESCEY DT20 Laser Tape Measure is an innovative 3-in-1 tool that connects to an app. This one genuinely surprised me with its versatility. If you appreciate tech in your tools, this is worth a serious look. Its patented display technology means you get quick and accurate measurements, and the added area and volume functions make it perfect for any home improvement or design project. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, which is ideal for busy contractors. On the downside, some users felt the app could be more user-friendly. Now, here's the thing. If you're not into technology or prefer a simpler tool, this might feel a bit overwhelming. This is perfect for you if you love integrating smart tech into your projects. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward, no-frills measuring tools. Given its features, it's certainly worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing features, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 4, 3-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. Next on our list is the Almighty Tools 3-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure, retailing at $58.33. This caught my attention because it combines a long-range laser with a reliable manual tape. If you want precision and versatility, this is worth a serious look. This tool measures up to 197 FT with a laser and includes a 16 FT self-locking tape for detailed work. The accuracy within plus or minus 1/8 inch for laser measurements means you can trust it for engineering projects or home improvements. It's designed to be user-friendly with a large LCD display, making it easy to read even in bright light. It also has a belt clip for portability, perfect for on-the-go measurements. However, a few users pointed out that the manual tape can feel a bit flimsy compared to the laser feature. Here's the thing though, it actually provides a great backup for those detailed measures when you can't rely solely on the laser. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile measuring tool for both long and short distances. Skip this one if durability is your main concern. For its capabilities and price, it's a great buy. If that design didn't quite suit your needs, the final product on our list offers even more versatility for your projects. Product number 5, 4-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. Finally, we have the SUNHAIXIA 4-in-1 Laser Tape Measure, priced at $48.19. This one really caught my attention because it combines so many features into one compact tool. If you want a multitasker, this is worth a serious look. This measuring tool features a 130 FT laser distance meter and a 16 FT tape measure, alongside a built-in laser level. Its backlit display ensures visibility in all lighting conditions, making it easy to take readings anywhere. Plus, it's made from durable materials so it can handle tough job sites without faltering. However, some users have noted that the buttons can be a bit sensitive, which might lead to accidental measurements. Here's the thing, if you're careful with your handling, this feature-packed tool is still a fantastic option for most users. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool that offers multiple measurement functions. Skip this one if you want something simpler with fewer features. Given its price and durability, it's a solid investment. In conclusion, each of these digital tape measures brings something unique to the table, and it really depends on your specific needs and budget. To wrap it up, we've covered the LEXIVON 2-in-1, Alloyman, MELESEY DT20, Almighty Tools, and SUNHAIXIA 4-in-1 Laser Tape Measures. Each offers unique features that cater to different needs, from basic measurements to advanced tech integration. Depending on your specific projects and budget, any of these could be the perfect addition to your toolset.